Determine the equation of the lines that bisects the angle formed by the coordinate axis. So let us begin. So here we have the coordinate axis with the x-axis and the y-axis perpendicular to each other. Now clearly, since the x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, the angle between them is going to be 90 degrees. Now let's consider a line which passes through the origin and bisects the angle between the two axes into two equal angles. So that means the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, that's going to be 45 degrees. So let's try to find out the equation of this particular line. Now, here we will use the slope-intercept form of a line, which is given by y equals to mx plus c. Here m represents the slope of the line and c is going to be the y-intercept of the particular line. Okay, now for this line which we are considering here, which passes through the origin, clearly here the y-intercept c value, that's going to be equals to 0 because it's passing through the origin. And what about the slope? Now we have to find out the slope because we know that the slope of a line is defined as tangent of the angle that it makes with the positive direction of x-axis, which is 45 degrees in our case. So that means the value of slope comes out to be tangent of 45 degrees, which has a value of 1. Now that we have the value of m and the value of c, so the equation of the line is going to be given by, now we have y equals to m, which is 1 times x plus the constant 0. So that means y will be equals to x. There is another possibility. What if the line passes through the origin and still bisects the angle formed by the coordinate axis? So let's say here we have the negative x-axis and the positive y-axis. It's bisecting the angle between them. So we'll have another line. Now our goal will be to find out the equation of the new line. Now this line makes an angle of 45 degrees with the negative x-axis, but our goal will be to obtain its angle that it makes with the positive direction of x-axis, which is this particular angle, and this angle is nothing but 90 degrees added to 45 degrees. So 90 plus 45, so that's going to be 135 degrees. So now we'll have to find out the slope of the new line. So that's m1, let's call it m1. That will be tangent of 135 degrees. Now tangent of 135 degrees, that has a value of -1. So that means we now have the slope. The y-intercept is still going to be equals to 0 because the line is passing through the origin. Now that means our equation of the line will be y equals to -1 times x plus 0. Or simply put, y will be equals to -x. So this is going to be the equation of the other line. So we have y equals to -x and the other line will have equation y equals to x. Both of the two lines bisects the angle formed by the coordinate axis.